Hello, students of class 5. I am Charna Mohantu and today I will discuss grammar, chapter 6, noun number. So, what a noun is? Noun is a naming word that names a person, place, animal, or thing. And you know that the nouns have a singular and a plural form. So, what is singular and what is plural? When a noun refers to one person, animal, or thing, it is in singular, and when a noun refers to more than one person, animal, or thing, it is in plural. Okay, so you also know that the plural form of most nouns is created by adding the letter S. Example, a king, kings, house, houses. Here's a table and we have to study this table to learn about the other rules of changing singular nouns to plurals. Okay, nouns, that means the naming words that end in S, X, SS, CH, SH, add ES for changing their singular forms to plural forms. Example, lens, lenses, fox, foxes. But we have to observe the exceptions also. Ox exists. Though the word ox ends in X, but it does not follow the rule, it becomes oxen in its plural form, not ES. Okay, oxes. So, this is the exception. And next, the word that ends in Z, add ZES, quiz, quizzes, QUIZ, then another ZES is to be added here in its plural form. Okay, the word that end in O, add ES, potato, potatoes, but exception photo, kilo, radio, only S, not ES. The word that end in O, add S, zoo, zoos. Okay, the word that end in F or FE, change the F or FE into V and add ES. Cuff, cuffs. Cuff, the word ends there in F and in changes into its plural form VES. But the exception chef, CHEF, but in its plural form add only S, not VES. These are the exceptions. Roof, roofs, safe, safes. So we must observe it. The word that end in Y and preceded by a consonant, change the Y into I and add ES. Baby, babies, cherry, cherries, Y, baby, the word ends here in Y and changes into IES in its plural form. Baby, the word is preceded by Y is preceded by a consonant. Baby, there is B, the consonant before Y. So, changes into IES. Next, the word that end in Y but preceded by a vowel. Add S, not ES. Okay, essay, key, toy. Here observe the word. They end Y but preceded by a vowel. There is a vowel before Y. So they change into their plural form adding by only S, not ES. The word that end in US, change the US to I. Example, alumnus, alumni, fungus, fungi. But in exception, octopus, octopuses. Octopus, the word ends in US but not changed to I, and it adds ES in its plural form. And here some irregular nouns. So, is some irregular nouns change in vowel only for changing its singular to plural, like man, men, woman, woman, tooth, teeth. For some irregular nouns, only new words: child, children, person, people. Some irregular nouns, there is no change: deer, deer, sheep, sheep. For some irregular nouns, no singular form. No singular form: socks, socks, scissors, scissors. For some irregular nouns, no plural form: news, news, furniture, furniture. And for some irregular compound nouns, passerby, passers-by, son-in-law, sons-in-law, not son-in-laws. Okay, so we must observe, we must follow all these rules for changing their singular nouns to their plural nouns or plural form. Okay, and this is the only video for this chapter. Next time I am sending you the exercise works and you have to do some homework also. Okay, if there is any problem you may contact me, and I will tell you, you yourself try to solve the exercise works first. Okay, then when I will send my worksheet, then you will correct it. Okay, bye.